the video basically integrates the HARI recommended GPS measures as well as our own internal Hyundai North Edsa PGA cars measures that we have adopted not only in HNC but also in the other group facilities. It is a localized video, meaning most of the talents that you see there are our people, and in fact, even the production staff were handled by us. So, in a way, that means that they had an insight on what will be important for the Hyundai network as well as for our own protection. So, I would say that that gave me the feel that this particular video will be a winner. It is very important. It is not only here to protect our customers, to protect our co-employees, but also it's mainly a question of self-protection. How do we avoid getting stricken by the COVID disease? If you'll allow me to read directly a message from one of the customers word for word, and I quote, "We feel secure here at H&E, malinis at safe. Pagpasok pa lang sa showroom, nandun lahat. 70% alcohol, disinfecting foot bath, the requirement to accomplish the daily health monitoring form. Staff are wearing full gear, face masks, and face shields. We also feel at ease knowing that the employees had underwent the rapid test to negative result." For me, it is a way of life now. It is a discipline that we must be all conscious of. But more importantly, before we used to take for granted cleanliness of ourselves and of the surroundings. But now, it has been hammered down to us that we must be extra careful now. And that, I think, is the essence of GPS.